Welcome, my name is Rajan, and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is Series 8, Drywall and Plaster Resurfacing Part 3. Let's get started.
Well, we're now ready to start coating. So at this point, I would recommend using a 12-inch knife. We have our all-purpose mud mixed up, and we're ready to start coating. The mud's relatively thin.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe.
It's going to take quite a bit of mud to fill in
and ring the notification bell. Please leave a comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.